No flags today because it's a Seaday and our next port will be Miami. Well, we have Royal Caribbean, or Royal Caribbean, however you like to pronounce it. He's heading back to Miami too. One more sunrise after this, and we can call this cruise over. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. Woo! And we're ready to travel. Well, today is basically our last day on the ship. It's a Seaday, and then tomorrow we'll be in Miami. And that'll be the end of this 7-day cruise. So today everybody is already getting their towels on their chairs at 7:30 in the morning. So it's gonna be a lot of fun around the pool. I'm not sure how much videoing I'll do today, but I'll take you along for a little bit of the last day on the ship. Now we got our full moon out there. Not too many people on the very top deck yet. Most everybody's downstairs around the pool, because I think there might be a little action down there today. One thing I'll say about this ship compared to a lot of other ships I've been on, there are plenty of deck chairs. There's like 4 decks of chairs, and even with 4,000 people, you can still find a chair. Today might be a little different since it's a Seaday and there's gonna be a lot of activity around the pool, but I'm sure you can still find a chair somewhere. It might not be down by the pool or in this section here, but up top here or even up here, you'll find a chair. This is where all the bands play out here at the pool, so we're gonna take a walk up here, up on the stage, give you a little overview of everything. We got 4 hot tubs up here, adult only swimming pool, and there's the marketplace. And as you can see, most people are below right now with all their towels. They probably went to breakfast, just claiming their spot. Bars are getting ready to open up. Well, I just got some news that Royal Caribbean was actually on the other side of the ship, but we went around him and now he's on this side of the ship because we have a medical emergency and we are starting to haul ass back towards land, and then I guess they're gonna have a boat come out here and pick up this girl with the medical emergency. Alright, we got some ice sculpture going on at the pool. Kind of a diversion because they've got everybody off the top 2 decks because the medical emergency will be happening soon, and they're bringing in a Coast Guard helicopter to lift that person off the ship. So as you can see, everybody is down here at the pool now as they try to take everybody's mind off the medical emergency going on. So we'll just watch this guy do his work.
Now, some of you folks might have wild guesses already on what Chef Arnell has in store for you this afternoon. But from where I'm standing right now, I'm still clueless. Stand next to it and have your photos taken. That is okay. Just be very careful. The floor is slippery and there's some ice, or chipped ice on the floor as well that could...
I don't know what's more exciting, the space shuttle launches or the SpaceX launches, or waiting for the Coast Guard to come in and pick up this person. I mean, people right now are all over the ship just waiting for the helicopter to come in to pick this person up. Meanwhile, the kids are just having a good old time, oblivious to everything going on. The Coast Guard has arrived. Look at everybody with their cell phones and their cameras on there. Well, this is something you don't see every day. Look at everybody. All their cell phones and cameras. Coast Guard plane out there. some kind of windy out here too. We're getting the prop wash from the rotors. He's on. There goes the basket. Man, I can't imagine when somebody gets on that and they're hoisting them back up. And now they're lowering the second basket. I don't know if they're also going to take the family along with who's ever sick. All right, here goes one person up. It is just unbelievable the prop wash that everybody's feeling off this thing. Alright, they got one person in. There goes the patient. I hope everything works out for him or her. Rescue. Everybody clapping and waving. A lot of people cheering and clapping. And that is that. Hope everything works out for that person. Everything is back to normal now. And we're getting ready to do a little partying and drinking.
about, oh my goodness, I'm so bright. Okay, how about number? How about number 6? Okay. Now number 7. Okay. It's going to be 2 of you. Among these 2,
we're down to 2.
Who do you think? Number 7. Because the winner of this Norwegian Getaway is Canada. Congratulations, Canada.
Oh, my last animal of the cruise. Right there is the penguin. Marco did an awesome job. So we have the elephant, the dinosaur, and of course we lost the rabbit earlier in the cruise somewhere along the line. He probably bailed out. The final sunset of this 7-day cruise has come to an end. Tomorrow when we wake up, we'll be in Miami. There's a large model of the ship. Yep.
Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer.
In through the Illusionarium. I didn't go to this show, but this is where they do the Cirque du Soleil dining experience. But no more shows on this cruise. Pretty neat. We're heading out. As the door opens for me. A lot of stuff from all the Grand Masters of Wizardry and Illusionists. Blackstone, Houdini, Jensen. Well, this is the last night on the cruise, and I'm going to end this in my stateroom. Met a lot of great people along the way and made some new friends. And today, as you saw earlier, there was a person airlifted out. Apparently they had a heart attack. So hopefully they're okay. And tomorrow when we wake up, we'll be in Miami, and this cruise will be over. And on that note, traveler out.